is containing vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin. So all these vitamins are present in an healthy oil. So that healthy oil is also important in which the food is cooked. So this is a pyramid in which we have a colorful fruits, we have colorful vegetables, we have proteins, we have different grains, and to add the make the food tasty, we are adding some herbs, spices, and we are cooking the food in healthy oil so that we can eat the food properly. Okay, so this is the pyramid. So first of all, let us know what is nutrition. The process of taking in and using the food for various purposes in our body is called as nutrition. Okay, whatever food we are eating, that is taken from by our body and it is broken down into a simple form, and it is used for different functions, different purposes. Okay, so growth is also one of the purpose in which the food is used. Now your age is a growing age, so you required lot of nutrients. Okay, then from which sources do we get nutrition? Carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats. So all these are required to our body, or we can say these are some of the nutrients which are required to our body. Okay, our diet should consist of all nutritional food. Okay, now nutritional values, what nutritional values we are finding in vegetables? So vegetable consist of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so why should we eat vegetables? Because vegetables are having vitamins and minerals. Okay, and why should we eat vegetables daily? To become healthy. To become healthy, we should eat all the vegetables that are available at our home. And when we are eating the vegetables or homemade food, our digestive system also is not having a problem. It runs very smoothly. Okay, it runs very smoothly. और अगर हम लोग बाहर का खाना खाएंगे, for example pizza, burger, junk food, any type of junk food, if we are eating, what will happen? Your stomach will be upset, you will have some stomach ache, your digestive system will not function properly, and that is why you will have lots of problem. Okay, so that is why we are supposed to eat homemade food, which is very much helpful for digesting the food, and our digestive system will also run smoothly if we are eating the homemade food. If we are eating the fast food or the food which is not made at home, that may create a problem to our digestive system, and we may suffer from some or other um, disease. Okay, so this is the thing, we have to know the nutritional value about the then what is nutrition and why it is necessary for our body, for us, why the nutrition is necessary. So again I will repeat the definition of nutrition: the process of taking in food and water and using it for growth and other purposes is called as a nutrition. And what are the nutrients? The constituent of the food which are useful for these purposes are called as nutrients. So the nutrients which are useful that and are the constituent of food that are called as nutrients. Okay, then why it is necessary for us to eat the nutritious food? Because this food gives us energy. Okay, हमारे बॉडी को जो एनर्जी मिलती है because of the food that we are eating. Okay, and in our day to day life, whatever work we are doing, it requires energy. इट रिक्वायर्स एनर्जी. अगर आपको के बॉडी में एनर्जी ही नहीं रहेगी तो आपको कोई भी काम बताया तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू दैट वर्क. ओके, so that is the reason that you are supposed to um, eat the healthy food, and when you are eating the healthy food, automatically you will get the energy, and the energy will be requiring for performing different activities or functions in the day to day life, and even the growth of the body can takes place. Again, why the nutrition food is necessary, one of the reason is that to fight against the disease. तो कोई भी जर्म्स हमारे बॉडी में एंटर होता है, सो वेन एवर एनी जर्म एंटर्स इन अवर बॉडी, what happens, our body try to fight against that germs. Okay, so if you are eating healthy food, you will be able to fight with that germ. But if you are not eating the healthy food, will you able to fight against that germ? No. So that is why you are supposed to eat the healthy food to fight against the different germs. So your immunity power should be strong so that no disease can capture you and you make you fall ill. So you have to to increase the immunity power, we can have the healthy food or nutritious food. Okay, then where does the food gets its energy? So how we are going to get the energy? So we are going to get the energy by eating the nutrients that are available in different types of food. So there are 6 main nutrients in our food, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. So these 6 main nutrients are very much important in our day to day life. So one by one we will see how these nutrients are useful for us in our daily diet. Okay, now first thing, that is carbohydrate. Now carbohydrate is a major source of energy. Okay, so what does the carbohydrates do? The carbohydrates give energy to our बॉडी. ओके, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स क्या करता है, हमारे बॉडी को एनर्जी देता है, इसीलिए कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को क्या बोला जाता है, एनर्जी गिविंग nutrient. So carbohydrate is also known as energy giving nutrient, and whatever energy we are getting, we are most probably getting it from carbohydrates. Now from where does the carbohydrates are we are getting the carbohydrates from different cereals. For example, rice, chapati, jawar, bajri, nachni. So these are all the ingredients which are containing high proportion of carbohydrates, and cereals are our staple food. Okay, so this is very much important. Now the carbohydrates are divided into 2 different types, that is simple and complex. So simple means which is very easily digestible, and complex means which takes longer time for digestion. Okay, so simple का meaning बहुत ही easy है, that is it whatever food you are eating that can be easily digested by your digestive system, and which takes long time to digest in your digestive system, that is known as a complex food. Okay, now the nutritional values of grains. So whatever grains we have seen that are cereals, they are rich in carbohydrates, and they are also known as energy giving nutrient. So they have excellent source of carbohydrates, and these cereals consist of vitamin B, iron, magnesium, and zinc. So you must have a question, teacher, why we should eat chapati, jawar, or bhakri, or rice daily? Because it is giving vitamins, ions, magnesium, zinc. These are the some of the valuable nutrients that you are getting from the cereals. That is why we are supposed to eat. Nowadays you can have a brown bread which is made up of wheat, so you can prefer the bread also. Okay, so the ingredients which are made from the cereals can also be very much useful, such as corns. Okay, then fats, then the fats are also give energy giving nutrient. Okay, so these are also energy giving nutrient, but we get the energy in the form of heat. तो जो भी हमको फैट से एनर्जी मिलता है, दैट एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट. ओके. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में एनर्जी, carbohydrates is energy giving nutrient. Fat is also giving energy, but fat, whatever food we are eating, that is converted into the form of heat. तो हमारे बॉडी में हीट के फॉर्म में वो एनर्जी जनरेट होता है. एंड दिस हीट इज ऑल्सो मेजर्ड इन किलो कैलोरीज. तो ये हीट किस में मेजर किया जा सकता है? किलो कैलोरीज. ओके. जैसे कि हम लोग शक्कर लेने को जाते हैं तो व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ द शुगर केन? ग्राम्स और किलोग्राम्स. वैसे ही हीट जो है उसका जो मेजर है दैट इज इन kilograms. Okay, that is the measure is in kilograms. Now you are children. Okay, now your age is of a growing age. तो आप लोग दिन भर मस्ती करते हैं, खेलते हैं, कूदते हैं, वेरियस एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल रीडिंग, स्टडिंग, डांसिंग, skating. So all these different activities you are performing whole day. So to your body requires a lot of energy in your body is required to perform all these activities. So in your body approximately 2000 to 2500 calories of energy should be generated in your body. यानी आपको खाना हेल्दी खाना है. क्यों खाना है? बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज परफॉर्मिंग डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज होल डे एंड दैट एक्टिविटीज रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. सो दिस एनर्जी इज generally given by carbohydrates and fats. And for children's, the how much calories are required? 2000 to 2500. Okay. Then next is proteins. Now you all know that the proteins are found in fishes, meat, eggs, dry fruits, milk product. Okay. Okay, so all these are rich in proteins. These are rich in proteins. Even the pulses which are sprouted, that is also useful for our body in the form of protein. So why do we need protein? So we need protein for the growth and repairing of the cell. तो हमारे body में our body is made up of multicellular cells. So all these cells need to perform different functions. If the cells are not having a proper functioning, so our body cells may damaged and we may suffer from any different disease. So to keep our body cells proper and to increase the growth of our body, protein is required. Okay, protein is very much essential. Okay, till here have you? Okay, so minerals are playing very much important role in our body as they provide lot of functions as our body functions with the help of minerals and vitamins. So it requires vitamin and minerals in a small proportion, but if it is not present we may suffer from different diseases. Now for example iron, what is the function of iron? Iron carries oxygen to all the parts of the body, and if the iron is less in our body, so what will happen? We may have the deficiency called as anemia. Anemia means our body will have deficiency of blood. Okay, then calcium and phosphorus. So what is the meaning of calcium and phosphorus? So our teeth and bones, these are made up of calcium and phosphorus. So these calcium and phosphorus are the minerals which are very much useful for making our teeth and bones strong. So what are the sources of calcium and phosphorus? Milk products, green leafy vegetables, meat. Okay, and if there is deficiency of calcium and phosphorus, what will happen? Our teeth will brittle, then there will be bad smell from our teeth, then weakening of the bones may be caused. So these are the diseases that can be occurred due to the calcium and phosphorus. then iodine, first only I told you, iodine controls all the chemical reaction in our body. तो जो भी chemical reaction होता है, that takes place with the help of iodine. That is why we require salt in all in our food. Okay, because it consists of iodine. Also iodine is present in the seafoods. Okay, and if the iodine is not added in our food, or we have deficiency of iodine, we may have the disease known as goiter. Okay, then sodium and potassium, these are also the minerals which maintain the balance and functioning of the muscles. तो हमारे बॉडी के जो मेंटेनेंस है, दैट इज डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम. सो हमारे बॉडी में जो पानी का बैलेंस है, जो मसल्स के फंक्शनिंग है, जो नर्वस सिस्टम का फंक्शनिंग है, ऑल दिस इज कैरिड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ sodium and potassium. And what are the sources of sodium and potassium? Salt, cheese, leafy vegetable, fruits, pulses. And what is the disease that is caused due to the deficiency of sodium and potassium? That is inefficiency of the muscles. So your muscles will not be strong, and you will not even have the ability to carry the 5 kg bag also. So much your muscles will be weak. Along with these nutrients, we have some nutrients such as magnesium, which is also necessary for our normal blood, brain and nervous system. So magnesium helps our body connectivity tissues. Then zinc, when you're playing on the ground, most of the times you get wounds on your hands or legs, so those wounds are healed with the help of zinc. So it plays an important role in the immune system. Okay, immune system mein healing the wound plays an important role, and that is done with the help of the mineral known as zinc. Okay, phosphorus also help us to make our bones and teeth strong. Magnesium is uh, needed by every organ. So magnesium is also required mineral, which is very much helpful for all the organs in our body. Then copper is also important mineral which helps the red blood cells. Okay, so this is about the minerals. So I hope you have understood the lesson till here.